How to set ringtone in mobile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can set a ringtone in your mobile. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your setting and here search for ringtones. Click on it. And here you can see ringtone option. Click on it. And here you will see all the available ringtones that you can select. For example, if I want to select this ringtone, I will just click on it and you can see ringtone is selected. And if I want to make any calm ringtone, I will just select from here. For example, I want to select this morning strum. So here you can see also fun ringtones. So guys, here you can see all the available ringtones for your mobile. So you can select any ringtone that you want. So guys, in this way you can set any ringtone in your mobile. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.